When's the new album? When it's done. When I'm tired of working on it. I don't think an album is ever really done because there's so many albums that how many albums do I have? Like 4 or 5. I put them out, and then about a week later, I get probably the equivalent of buyer's regret, buyer's remorse. And you're like, I could have done this better. I could have done this differently. I could have done this some other way. But when are you going to stop working on the album? When are you just going to give up and say, you know what? Send it out. I'm hoping this year. See, I'm safe with that answer because it could be soon, it could be later. Maybe it's going to get abandoned. Strobe is one of the biggest electronic songs of all time. When you released the track, did you dream this huge success? How did you create the idea of this song? Actually, the song almost never existed because I finished it and I sent it to a friend of mine who worked at the record label very early in the business. And I said, you know what? There's this. And I almost deleted it, got rid of it and all that stuff. And I didn't think it was very good. And I sent it to him. He said, this is great. We should put it out. And I'm like, you know what? Fine. Whatever. Well, I'll put it on the B side of a record. And we did that. And then it caught on. And I guess everybody really enjoyed it. So it just goes to show if you're an aspiring producer and you do something you don't like or you're not really feeling, you should share it anyway because it's probably going to be someone who likes it. Thank God it's a miracle. Thank God. Thank God. They all say, if I'm not feeling something, it usually just gets abandoned. and I have thousands and thousands of abandonments. No. The vault's the vault. The vault's there for a reason. The vault is the vault. The recycling bin's the recycling bin. So if there's something absolutely horrid that I just know 100%, that just gets deleted from the hard drive. But the vault is kind of like my go-to playpen where I'll explore old ideas. So just because, I was working on something and then I said I'm not feeling it, doesn't necessarily mean it got deleted. It just means it went into the vault and then I'll probably revisit it.